Hello guys, welcome to CP Toys, here to bring you a review on this Battle for the Stars Free TRUISM 20th Legion White Viper Squad and White Viper Squad Betty. This is White Viper Squad. It's the front of the box. The on front of the box. Top of the box. Bottom, left hand side, right hand side, and the back with all the accessories. And this is Betty. This is the right hand side of the box. Left hand side. Bottom. Top. Back. Okay. Get out of the box. I got these figures a while back. Here they are out of the box. The squad. Betty didn't bring one of these. I don't know why. It's weird because they usually bring these things. But anyway, these things are trash. Okay, let's look at Betty. She brings a helmet, machine gun, extra hands, and that's it. And the squad brings a case, 4 helmets, heavy machine gun, 3 what they look like assault rifles, and grenade launcher. So here's Betty out of the box. Got a cool hairstyle. She has a handgun. Handgun goes in here. Doesn't hold well. There you go. I think it would be better if this thing would have had a hole on the end. Should have had a hole there so the gun could go through and it would fit better, but it doesn't fall. It's cool. Okay, let's look at the articulation. Up, looking up. Let's see, Betty, look up. He looks up about that much. Down. Up, down, up, down. Side to side. To the left, to the right. Let's see if it strikes a T-post. Not bad on the T-post. Arm will not swivel all the way around because of this metal arm here, but it goes back and forward, up, no problem. Okay, there's no butterfly joint. Elbow, let me line the articulation so you see the elbow. Single jointed elbow over 90. Pretty good. You could sort of break her arm. Wrist goes all the way around. It goes up and down, no wave. You can see the articulation right there. See the articulation right there? Going to go up and down. Let's see if the other hand does the wave. Usually when they have that type of articulation, yep, this one does the wave. This hand does the wave. This hand does up and down. Torso articulation, as usual, it has this thing, so you can't get any torso articulation. Waist, it goes to the left that much. To the right that much. Forward and back. Split. So this is split. Spartan kick. Let's see. I gotta send her straight and Spartan kick about that high. Back kick. Back kick about that much. He has a double jointed knee and a tight swivel. He has a removable knife here. It's cool. I didn't know that. Okay, so let's see. Double jointed knee, and now this thing came out of the way. Yeah, cool. So the foot pivots to the side. It goes all the way around. Tippy toe. Let's see the articulation. If I align the articulation, I'll probably get a pretty good tippy toe. Articulation seems to be right here. Michael Jackson. Pretty good. Tippy toe. Oops. This thing is a pain in the caca thrower. Okay. So tippy toe about that much. Which is great. And he has a toe bend. And that's Betty. Oops, I almost forgot to show you Betty's helmet. This is her helmet. And it is an actual helmet. What? We're not related. Okay. Alright, so they're all the same. Same armors and same boots, same hands. So let's look at this guy. Armor's pretty good. Knife is there. And a tight. There you go. Good. Handgun goes there. Most likely the handgun is inside this thing. Because usually this thing comes full of like little pieces. Probably has some joints in there too. Boots. Bag of it. Cool. Let's look at the articulation. Up. About that much. Down. Up. Down. Yes. To the left. Tilt to the left. That much. Tilt to the right. Could go that much. And it does the exorcist. See if you could strike a T-pose. Decent on the T-pose. No torso articulation because of all this armor thingy. Waist. To the left that much. To the right that much. Dun, 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 dun. Forward. Back. Split. Almost a full split. Forward kick, the Spartan kick. About the high, back kick. Back kick about that much. It has a tight swivel. Right there. Tight swivel, but because of all the armor, you can't really turn it much. Double jointed knee. Pretty good. Let's see the foot. It pivots to the side. It goes all the way around. Let's see the Michael Jackson. Let's see if I got it right on the articulation. Man down, man down. I decapitated him. Oops. Get in there. Okay. Let's see your Michael Jackson. Not that great. It should be. Well, so the pants get on the way. And tippy toe. Pretty good. Pretty good on the tippy toe. Not so great on the Michael Jackson because the pants get on the way. But not bad. And that's the articulations on this guys. They're all the same. Articulation is all the same on all of them. They have different heads. Faces are different. They kind of similar, but you could tell they're not the same. So here are the weapons and accessories and helmets. These are handguns. It brings 3 of them. Bring some. This look like the foot joint. Foot pack. Go in there. This look like a knee joint. And this one is an elbow joint. He came with this battle axe, just one. I guess I'll give it to Betty. He came with 3 of these. One of these. Pretty cool. And the grenade launcher. Now helmets. This is a different helmet. It looks similar to Betty's. Yeah, it's the same. Same thing. And these are the other helmets. So here is the Battle of the Start Free Truism 20th Legion White Viper Squad with Betty. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Be safe. Be blessed. Take care.